With the rise of video on social media, showing up on camera for your business is a must. Whether you're popping up on your Instagram stories, going live on Facebook, or creating a video for IGTV or YouTube, there is both a demand and opportunity for you to be the face of your business to build a relationship with your online community. Welcome to Empowerista, a show dedicated to helping you show up and be seen as an entrepreneur. I'm your host, Alex Worley, the CEO of Empowerista, an award-winning producer and national TV host, seen on platforms like Entrepreneur.com, Amazon Prime, and Business Rockstars. These are the tips and truths to amplify your influence and income.
You guys, I'm so excited to let you know my ebook, Confidently on Camera, How to Create Your First Video Series, launched today. If you've been wanting to create video content but feel stuck on the details like what type of videos should I create? What equipment should I use? What should I say? Or maybe you're feeling self-conscious about how you look and sound. All of these hesitations are totally normal, and I wrote this book with you in mind. So let's clear up all your presentation and production questions so you can show up confidently on camera. You can order the book today at confidentlyoncamera.com.
When it comes to starting a digital video series, there are 5 steps to keep in mind: planning, presenting, producing, promoting, and publishing. Let's break them down. Step 1, planning. It's crucial to take a step back and look at the big picture. What are you trying to accomplish with this video series? Who are you wanting to reach? And what are the best platforms to reach these people on? Step 2, presenting. I truly believe video is the best way to connect with your audience because they get to see your personality and hear your voice. Video allows you to build a relationship faster than any other type of content. But in order to make the connection, you have to hone in on the presentation of your personality and your voice. So here are my 5 ways to develop your own unique on-camera personality. Number 1, role. Ask yourself, what is my role? Some of the most common roles are teacher, trusted advisor, big sister or brother, or best friend. This will impact how you speak to your audience. Number 2, authenticity. When you play this role in real life, how do you actually speak? To be clear, you should always be conversational, but by knowing your specific role, you'll know how casual to be. For example, if you're playing the BFF role, you don't want to come across super formal and corporate. Number 3, expertise. What topics are you knowledgeable and informing your audience about? Think beyond your products and services and consider the lifestyle and transformational journey your company takes your community on. This will give you more possible topics to talk about. Number 4, view. This is your unique twist on these topics. What are your opinions, values, and unique experiences as they relate to these topics? And number 5, style. Video is a visual medium, so your style contributes to the story you want to tell. Start with any brand guidelines you have. For example, if you have brand colors, you're going to want to wear cohesive colors on camera. Then go back to that role you want to play and ask yourself, how would I authentically dress if I embodied this role in real life? Step 3, producing. Digital video series have a wide range of production levels. Everything from simply pressing record on your smartphone to hiring a production crew have made for a successful digital video series. Ultimately, your audience, platform, and budget will determine whether it makes most sense to choose a simple versus high production level. If you're wanting to produce your own digital video series to increase your influence and income, but don't have the budget to hire a production team, don't sweat it. This actually could be to your advantage, especially on social media where people are craving candid content. With that said, here are my 3 tiers of DIY videos. Tier 1 is the easiest and most budget-friendly option. It's simply taking your smartphone, turning it to selfie mode, hitting record or live if you prefer, and talking on your topic. Tier 2 would be to invest in a nice light and microphone, still using your smartphone to capture the video. You may also decide to use a simple editing app or software to tighten up the video and add graphics. And lastly, for Tier 3, you'd keep the nice light and microphone and upgrade your smartphone to a nicer video camera. At this point, it's probably also worth learning how to use an editing software with more options to spruce up the quality of your videos. Step 4, promoting. It's important to promote your video series before, during, and after publishing. Social media, newsletters, collaborations, and PR are just a few of the ways to get the word out about your series. And step 5, publishing. This is the most important part. Your first video is never going to be perfect. The sooner you hit publish, the sooner you can get feedback from your audience to see what does and doesn't resonate. The key to a video series, or any content really, is consistency. If you consistently create content and tweak along the way, connecting with your online community will be inevitable.
And as a reminder, for a much deeper dive on how to create your first video series, you can purchase my ebook, Confidently on Camera, available at confidentlyoncamera.com.
Well, that's it for today's show. If you're loving this podcast, don't forget to subscribe so we can meet again next week, same time, same place. Thank you so much for listening, and have an amazing week.